Subscribe and press the bell icon to enjoy more exciting and enlightening videos from Dheya. Hello and welcome to yet another riveting episode of Theya's Career Guru Masterpieces. Today, we are going to have a conversation with our career guru, Mrs. Nidhi Gupta. Hello, ma'am. How are you doing today?
Yeah, I'm fine and going on very nicely.
Let us begin today's episode by knowing what exactly made you step out and become a career guru.
Actually, while I was working as a principal, I found that it is very much needed for the students to make them aware about career knowledge. So that's why I thought to become a career guru.
As you know, in today's world of education, how do you think your impact will be as a career guru on students' careers?
It was very good because while I'm giving these sessions, I found that not only students, as well as sometimes it happens that parents are also not aware of all these things. So first of all, I give these things, these career knowledge about career awareness about the students, and also I found that students are not taking care of their personal interest, and their personal interest is very much needed while we are giving career counseling or giving some awareness about their career.
Right.
So they found a lot of things that they have in build, but they are not aware of that. So always it was really very interesting, and students also found it very interesting. Always the session goes on at the high with a good approach and good result.
As you have already worked and are working with a lot of students, so what do you think are their real needs so that here can help you work with them?
Mostly their needs are that while in school or in at home, at both the places they are sandwiched between parents and teachers to just read and give test. That's all. No one is taking interest about their personal interest, what they want and where they should go. Some students are like this, that they are not much interested to take that science or MBA or these things. So it is very much needed that we should know first what that student is, what he wants, because it's his life, and if his interest will be in that point, then he will obviously raise and get 100% result also, and he will be fully dedicated to that criteria or to that area.
Thea has been doing a lot of activities about career and career mentoring. So, apart from students' careers, how do you think Thea's activities will impact their academic achievements too?
Obviously it will give a great help in academic also, because first of all, suppose a person is there, I am there, and if I am getting something, means 2 hours I'm giving to my interest or to my hobbies, or which I am very much interested, I am dedicating my time on that, then it will refresh my mind. And obviously when I'm going to do study or taking care of academic sessions or learning something, it will give really a good interest also, and student will learn very fine. And also whenever it has some he or she is having some problems, they will take interest and find out the solutions also, and they will do discussion with their gurus. So it is very much it is too much helpful in academic sessions also.
What sort of advice or suggestion would you like to give to today's parents to help build their child's career?
I will only give one suggestion, which is very much needed, that you are giving everything, all the possibilities and all the facilities of studying to students, like tuition, good school, good fees, but it will not give result if you will not give all these facilities. Like fees is necessary, compulsory, but if you are not giving the whole comfort, but instead of that, if you are giving or taking care or talking at least 1 hour, spending 1 hour with your child, it will help a lot in academic results. So I suggest parents to give at least 1 hour with your student and become a kid and become of that age group so that they will get a good result.
I sincerely thank you for taking out time for us and sharing your experience today. And I thank you all for watching this episode today. I'm sure you must have found it inspirational, insightful, and enlightening. Stay tuned and stay safe. Until next time.